So she'll look after you?
Yeah. I'm going to be one of them killer. Oh God. I'm going to be one of them killer. Oh God. That's true. Nowadays she look out for me and she do everything for me. I don't have nobody else to do it, you know. Nobody else. But Father God know. Father God know. Father God know. Kill my daughter and run guide. And them a bad man. Oh God. Love Pitney. Pitney no do them nothing. I see him shot them again.
Tell me how you feel about your daughter.
I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Everything to me. It's everywhere. Oh my God. Words can't explain how I feel. I'm not nobody else. Do nothing for me. I'm my son, but normally I'm a daughter. Do everything for me. Everything. Money, work, cook, wash my clothes. Everything. Everything. So I'm not young again. I have 59 December, come here 60 years old. I should do everything. I get a strokes. No my foot. I can't use my right side. Oh God.
So you knew she was going to the funeral?
No, when I come now, we used to say she go to the funeral, but if I didn't know she couldn't go. She couldn't, the girlfriend didn't know. Because she couldn't go, because we are here now, say, the people them here keep the funeral, say if she not go, them and I go vex. So if them and I would have to vex. Them and I would have to vex, because she wouldn't go. My daughter so loving, caring. She take care of other people. Take care of other people, picnic. Oh Jesus Christ.
How many children she?
She have one daughter. 1 year and about 2 months. Daughter just gone up the road with the father. Oh God.
So how you plan to survive now, since she's the one that does everything for you?
I don't know if her mother says she'll come here sometime, because me and her mother part of the way, you know. And her mother says she'll come here sometime and see what is what and see what she can. Baby God, I'm alive, that I love her so much. I love her more than myself.
So tell us what kind of person she was, Mr. Carter.
She was a nice, loving, jovial, caring person. All when she don't know you, she reach out to you.
I heard that there's a long-standing rift in the area.
Yeah. It come from so far. And there's certain things I really can't tell. Because he said this thing, Father to you know, but God know. Sit high and him look low. And we get justice from God. We have to tell you everything. If you swell up from a day, you can't walk. Hospital admit, come out, the woman she look about me. Last week she said to me, say, you know, go back go work. And I tell her, say, I go work the first week in June. And she said to me, say, if you go back go work, I go work the first week in June. So everything good. She say, alright then, my father. I'm son that too, you know. The big son that too. Maybe this first week that big son that. Oh Father, may I tell you something hurt. My heart hurt. I feel it. Feel it so much. She not kind of got nobody, she not molest nobody, she not do nobody nothing at all. I don't know why them kill my baby. Why them kill my picnic? Why make them kill her? I don't know for what reason. I don't know where it come off from. I don't know what she do them car. She not do them nothing. We nobody know no war over nothing. At 45 years I live in that yard. 45 years I live in that yard. I live in that yard from me 17-year-old. I'm 59 now.
You're a grandfather
Yeah.
who has her little
Yeah.
son, it is? Daughter.
She had just 26-year-old. She never reached no yet. She not live no life yet. The world crashing down. My whole world comes falling down.